In this tutorial, I show you how to create a Jimmy Gel encapsulated glitter sculpted tip. Now, I've already prepped this, now removed my cuticle, and now I'm just finishing with LE Pro Cleanser. I've fitted my form and I'm going straight in to this cleanse now with Light Elegance Tack. Really work this product into the nail plate and then cure for 30 seconds in the LE dot. Next, I will apply my Jimmy Shimmy layer of Jimmy Gel. So really scrub this layer into the natural nail. Do not cure, because we're going to build out that extension edge onto the form after we've applied this layer. So I'm going to take my dollop of Jimmy Gel and apply it to the sculpting form and tease it into shape. Try and perfect the shape as much as possible. So make sure you're batting it down to the sides and the corners of your natural nail. Now I've decanted some Lecenté Angel iridescent glitter and I'm just pressing those into the cured layer of Jimmy Gel. So that Jimmy Gel was cured for 60 seconds in the LE dot. I'll also re-cure this for another 60 seconds. Now I'm applying my dollop of Jimmy Gel and building my structure. So I'm not perfecting the structure at this point because I haven't finished this nail. Remove the nail from the lamp and cleanse the inhibition layer off, and then you can finish file it to a certain degree. So be careful because this is still really thin. Take the length down and create the shape that you want using the 180 grit side of the Lexy file. Because I've started filing it and I've removed that inhibition layer, I need to make sure that the entire surface of this nail is rough now. Don't worry if you end up filing any of the little pieces of glitter off, because we haven't finished this. After I've finished filing, I will remove the dust and cleanse with Pro Cleanser. And now I'm taking Cover Pink one step and I'm creating my mask to hide my natural nails free edge. Then using the LE Smile Line Bling brush to perfect my shape before curing for 60 seconds in the LE dot. Now I'm applying a really thin layer of Jimmy Gel to the extension edge only. And I'm not going to cure this layer just yet. After covering that entire edge with Jimmy Gel, I'm then picking up some chunky glitter. Again, this is my Lecenté dots. And placing them randomly over that tip before popping into the lamp and curing for another 60 seconds. Once that's cured, I apply a thin coat of Jimmy Gel over the entire nail and then build. So apply a larger dollop, build the rest of my structure, cure for 60 seconds, remove the inhibition layer with Pro Cleanser and very gently finish file into shape. There won't be a lot of filing at this point. Cleanse the nail again to remove the dust. And then finish with Light Elegance Super Shiny. And as you can see, I kind of filed through some of the Cover Pink one step. So you can see a little bit of shadowing where my natural nail is, and don't worry about that. I've cured the Super Shiny, left the inhibition layer on, and now I'm going in with Light Elegance Just White Buttercream and creating a hand-painted design over the top, and what that will do will also mask that little imperfection on that side. So I'm using the Swirly brush from the Celina Ryden brush collection and my buttercream, and once I'm happy with the design I will pop that in the lamp for 30 seconds. Once that's cured, I will remove my inhibition layer with Pro Cleanser, finish with my Light Elegance cuticle oil, and there you go. Beautiful. Thanks for watching.